Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a command prompt is not working or not opening in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. First go to search menu and type task manager. Click on open it. Select run a new task option and type here CMD. Check mark create this task with administrative privileges and click on OK. And now check if the problem solved or not. If not, that too, you just need to go to search menu and type PowerShell. Right click on the Windows PowerShell and select Run as Administrator and select Yes. And now check my video description for this command. Just to copy and paste it and press enter. Just need to wait for this command to get 100% complete. After this completed, you just need to copy and paste the second command and press enter. You just need to wait for this command to get 100% complete. After getting these commands completed, just to close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting, check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 3, go to search menu and type run, click on open it. In run window, you just need to type sysdm.cpl and click on OK. Go to advanced tab under startup and recovery, select environment variables and under system variables, select path and select edit option. We just need to check my video description for this path. Make sure this path is listed and here. If you doesn't see this path, then copy the path in my description and select the new option and paste the path and press click on OK. And now the path has been added. Click on OK and just to go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 4, you just need to go to search menu and open the file explorer, go to C drive, go to Windows, find system 32, double click on it, find CMD. You can able to see the CMD, just right click on it and select run as administrator and select yes and check if it is works. If it is works, then you just need to right click and select show more options and select send it to and select the desktop create shortcut. And now whenever you want, just right click and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you can able to execute what command you want and now the problem should be fixed. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.